Persuasive language can make any type of media more engaging and convincing. However, its ultimate purpose is to win your trust and influence how you think. That's why it's important to recognize common types of persuasive language so you can look beyond the rhetoric and think for yourself. For instance, telling stories is a timeless way to win you over. Whether it's a feature-length film or a 30-second commercial, entertaining media makes it easier for you to get on board with a particular message. However, while it's easy to be charmed by a good story, ask yourself, is this tale fair and unbiased, or has it sacrificed factual accuracy for the sake of serving the message? Presenting evidence can have a tremendous influence on how you perceive a message. However, just because the media includes evidence doesn't mean they're being completely honest. Sometimes they'll mix in facts with half-truths and exaggerations to make the message seem more credible. Take care to examine all the evidence before you accept a message as trustworthy. Attacks can point out the faults of the competition, and they often play into an audience's fears or anger, especially in political media. But next time you see an attack, keep in mind that it's trying to rile up your emotions to convince you of a specific idea. It may also embellish facts or take a skewed perspective, so try not to pass judgment before you investigate the truth. Flattery has long been a reliable persuasion method, as media wants you to feel good about a particular product or idea. However, how sincere can mass-produced praise actually be? Do your best not to be lured in by kind words, and consider if the media is just telling you what you want to hear. Inclusive language frames a message in terms of us and we and our, giving the impression that the creator of the media and the audience are on the same side. However, this can come off as false, especially if it seems like the creator doesn't actually have anything in common with you. Whether it's used to reinforce the truth or hide a lack of substance, don't let persuasive language be the only thing that sways your opinion. Always look beyond the rhetoric and seek out the facts behind any claims.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.